In today's manufacturing world, every second counts. Every decision matters. But what happens when you're making those decisions in the dark? For one leading industrial manufacturer, this was reality. Manual tracking, delayed insights, and costly inefficiencies eating into their bottom line. The problems were clear. Production managers couldn't track performance in real time. Machine issues were discovered too late. Bottlenecks remained hidden until they caused major delays. Without data-driven insights, the company was essentially flying blind. That's when Daffodil software stepped in with a vision: transform scattered data into actionable intelligence. Our team developed an IoT-based platform that would revolutionize how they managed production. Daffodil developed an interconnected ecosystem where smart sensors monitor every critical machine. Real-time data flows into a central platform. AI-powered analytics predict maintenance needs. The platform also featured predictive maintenance alerts, helping our client address potential failures before they impacted production. The results were transformative. With real-time monitoring and automated reporting, production efficiency improved by 30%. Downtime was reduced and decision-making became data-driven. The company now had complete visibility into their operations, leading to cost savings and increased productivity. To know more, visit www.daffodilsw.com.